In the June 2016 issue of Hornby magazine, Mike Wilde demonstrates how to improve Heljan's recently released HM108 O2 280 by adding digital sound, a smoke unit and an appropriate weathered appearance. The makeover of the 00 gauge locomotive included adding a Zemo DCC sound decoder and sugar cube speaker within the tender, and also required careful opening out of the locomotive chimney to ensure the smoke unit sat correctly and smoke emitted without interference. Once the main elements were complete, the locomotive was suitably weathered and demonstrates its new appearance here on Hornby magazine's office test layout. You can follow the full step-by-step makeover of Heljan's 00 gauge O2 Tango in the June 2016 issue of Hornby magazine. On sale now.